Hello folks from League. How are you? Let's begin our class of Python. And today we are going to study set of elements in Python. The characteristic of set of elements is that when you use the set of elements, you don't have duplicate its inside. Do you remember that when we talking about the list and the dictionary, we was talking about box. It's like a box. We told you about a box, and we told you that a variable is like a box that you put things inside. It's a good way to make relations with subject elements to know how the code function. I think that you are thinking that's easy, because it's very easy. When you have in set of elements, you have elements that you put inside, like a variable, but the principal characteristic is that you can't do things that are duplicate, that are the same. So you have two things that are in the same color, here. The both are blue. Let's change the color here to understand. You can't put the same thing here, so you can't do that. So you can't put two elements inside the same variable. The program won't accept that. You can't put the elements different. You can't add everything that you want that is different. Another color here, but you can't put the same elements that are duplicate inside our variable. Okay, I think that's easy to understand that. So it's our set. Set is a group of elements. And another thing that you can't understand, that when you try to research each element, maybe yellow came before and blue came after, and you don't have a sequence of elements. You can't duplicate, and you don't have a sequence of elements that like a list. In the list you have a sequence. You have another color to understand that's not the same. In the list you have a sequence. Before came yellow, after blue, and after orange. Here and in the set of elements, maybe when you try to research the elements inside the box, maybe you have the blue after the orange, after the yellow. In the next research, everything change, and you have different kind of sequence, and you don't have the same colors, and everything change. So when you go to the code, we can see our variable or our box, the color that we put inside, and we can see the command that you can add color here and the command that we can remove color here. Is the two principal commands that we can increase and we can remove that. So let's go to the our code. Set colors bracket red, blue, yellow, and we can increase another color like increase another color like orange, sorry, add the orange, we need to print that, print set colors, and you do the same here, print set colors. So you can see that we have two group of elements here. The first one that was we did here and print set colors was blue, yellow, red, and second we added orange and we have blue, orange, yellow, red. The orange can appear in other sequence. You can see here, you can see here, you can see that the orange that we put before and the other elements, they change all the time in the group of elements. They don't have a sequence. But you can remove too. You can remove print, sorry, set colors, remove green, and print again. The wrong thing, set colors, remove print set colors, remove oh, no green here, the wrong thing is that blue. Okay, we can see here that remove blue, so you don't have blue here more, and you have orange, red, and yellow, and blue was removed in our group or set of elements. So was hour of Python. I hope that you understood everything, and until the next class, bye Vlig, bye until the next class.